Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm just going to give you an analysis on star cement. Remember we made this analysis 5 months back, and today there was kind of a breakout on the same stock after some consolidation for 5 months. So I kind of alerted this on our public telegram group this morning, right before after the breakout, and this is why you should be part of this free telegram group. Sometimes I post stocks like this, and I'll just make sure to place the link in the description and in the pinned comments. Make sure to use the link, because there is, if you manually search for the telegram group, there is at least 10 fake groups, and you might get scammed. Okay, so make sure to use the link in the description and in the pinned comments of the telegram group. If the link is not working, make sure to use the VPN. Okay, so let's get started with the analysis. What has been happening in star cement? So I kind of posted this right around this area, right? This is where I posted, and it kind of started to consolidate for a very long time. So it's been, I think, 5 to 6 months of consolidation, at least 4 to 6 months. Okay, and it has given a breakout. Okay, what you have to keep in mind is that it has also come out of this weekly pattern which I've shown in the video already. Okay, make sure to check the video which I've posted previously regarding star cement, and after that, if you watch this video, it will make sense to you. Okay, so right after the breakout, I made sure to post that in our telegram group and also in our GFT community, of course. So I think the star cement's first target could be 150, which is the all-time high, and after that we'll figure it out where could we keep keep our target and everything. So the first stop loss can be this, which is 109. I always recommend some wide stop losses, because in small cap and mid cap, obviously the volatility is huge, and 102 would be a better stop loss, and the next best is 109. And if you are not ready to prepare to keep this huge stop loss, do not enter this trade just because I posted it. If you are asking if you can still enter at this area, I think most of the subscribers are following on my YouTube telegram channel. I think most would have entered already. If you're not part of it, just make sure to join. Okay, and also you can enter. Okay, even tomorrow, if there is a consolidation, if there is a consolidation, make sure to enter. Every consolidation is an opportunity for you, and the breakout has just started, so it's safe. You are little late, but it's not too late. Okay, you can still, I think you can still make money out of this, and I hope there is nothing much, guys. I've already explained about this pattern in the previous video. I just wanted to notify you before the market opens tomorrow, and so that you get prepared and make money in this. And if you make money in this, make sure to join our JFT membership as well, where we put share many more amazing charts like this. So obviously it's a win-win situation for both. You make more money, I make more money. So yeah, if you guys have any doubts, please let me know. There were few wicks in these prices, which is 130, which should be considered. So 130 to 140 is an area which you should closely watch, because there has been a huge sell off at this price, and it has gone down to 68, which is during the corona crash. Whatever, but the breakout looks good to me, and I think it has a lot of potential. I just wanted to give a revisit on this. I wanted to inform you that I'm hoping the people who entered, they are still holding, and if you have exited, I don't know. So yeah, it has given a breakout, so make sure to add this on your watch list tomorrow, and don't allocate so much your full capital or something like that. Make sure to allocate 5 to 7% maximum, or in the worst case, if you are very confident and stuff, you can invest 10%. Okay, that would be all for this video, guys. Tomorrow I'll come up with April month trades, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.